I was speaking at a sales conference recently, and I had an attendee come up and say, I think we're making this sales stuff just too hard. After all, if we just practice the golden rule, wouldn't that take care of most selling challenges? I started laughing and then I got serious. I think this gentleman was right, because think about this. Treating others the way that you want to be treated. For example, how many of you have had a salesperson call you up, set the appointment, and then they show up totally unprepared? They ask the same questions that they asked you on the phone call because they didn't take good notes. They haven't done a lick of pre-call planning. They really don't even know about your company. It's not the way you want to be treated. Second, I see an awful lot of salespeople not even taking the time to write a simple thank you note. Really? Come on. This prospect, now a customer, has entrusted you with their business. Take the 3 minutes, buy a stamp, and write a thank you note. Treat others the way you'd like to be treated. I think my conference attendee was right. We might just be making this selling process a little too difficult. Apply the golden rule. Treat others the way you'd like to be treated. Thanks for joining us. I'm Colleen Stanley, President of Sales Leadership.